nuclear power plants. In a unique initiative, Cabinet Minister Alexander Lalu Hek on Saturday held a special program at Nangbah Resort at Umthro in Ribhoi district to commemorate the 161st death anniversary of Kiang Nangbah. Hek had invited more than 100 children of the God's Dream Children's Home to be part of this program. Speaking on the occasion, Hek stated that even though Kiang Nangbah was a common man, yet he fought for the liberation of his countrymen. The cabinet minister also stressed it's important for the young generation to know how Kiang Nangbah fought against the British Empire to protect the people of his community.
Freedom fighter. Luckily, freedom fighter, but now freedom fighter di bawah pikim pakai kita. Kadai nak kata kadau ngikut bertip yaki bauni uklawai. Ukiang nombak badai na janta hill belafai ala gajong em IT nak berta gajong lai lut dong ni kum gajai bundu.
In its continuous effort to